guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video.
Yo YouTube, what is going on? So we've had a brand new fishing update in Blox Fruits, and this video is going to be showing you how to get all fishing rods in Blox Fruits. So this is going to allow you to fish, and this is really easy. This is a working Blox Fruits code that you can use right now, and it's going to get you every single fishing rod that's currently available up to the date that you choose to use this code. So it only takes a few minutes to do this, guys. It's going to save you a bunch of time. I spent a long time searching Google and YouTube, trying tons of different things, and yeah, I thought I'd show you this method because it is just a Blox Fruits code that you can all use right now to get fishing rods. So let's get into it. What you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. Very important you do go to this website, guys, because this is a codes website with loads of different pages. Highly recommend you can even bookmark these because they do add and remove tons of codes. And there's loads of different Roblox games as well. So what I'm going to do is just use the search bar at the top there and type in Blox Fruits, and you're going to see this page here. Now, there are 6 different codes available, hundreds of people using these, thousands of 5-star ratings. So if you scroll down, there are loads of different things. You just need to find the fishing rods code. This is a Blox Fruits code that's going to get all fishing rods for free. Really easy. It's going to unlock all the rods and allow you to fish in Blox Fruits. Like I said, guys, I spent a long time finding this method, so I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a like and subscribe. It only takes a few minutes to do this method, so it is the easiest way. So to unlock your code, you can see basically, guys, your Blox Fruits code is hidden, and this basically prevents people from stealing the limited codes. You need to unlock your code, guys. So to do that, you need to click on this button, follow the instructions on this code unlocker. Long story short, you need to complete 2 of the free tasks. As you can see, they're all completely free. You just need to follow the instructions for the 2 tasks that you choose, making sure you do just fully complete them. And if you do everything, guys, I'm just going to skip past that. But if you do that, your code will then be revealed in this box, and you can go ahead, redeem it in Blox Fruits. And that is going to unlock all fishing rods. But you can also get other stuff as well, such as unlocking all fruits. You can get free money, all belts. You can get 2 times XP for 24 hours and a stat reset. So that is how to get all fishing rods in Blox Fruits, guys. Really simple method. Just head on over to Cold Coupons and find the fishing rods code on the Blox Fruits page. So I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button and subscribe if you did. Leave a comment below if you need any help, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.